if you don't know what they actually check in you during GD, then friends, how you are going to win the GD? If you really want to win the GD, then watch this video complete and with focus. Hi friends, if you don't know about me, let me tell you. My name is Dr.Sandeep Patil. I am PhD in Mechanical Engineering. I am a TEDx speaker. I am an MBA consultant to many engineering colleges, as well as I am an international corporate coach for many corporate organizations in India. Friends, let's come back to the most important. Most of the students don't know that what exactly the recruiters see in you, check in you during the group discussion. Many students falsely believe that recruiters see your communication skills, your English fluency, or your knowledge. Friends, as a corporate coach, I know what exactly they expect from you when you are working in any corporate company. So friends, this is not what they check. What they check is two things. Listen carefully. Number one, how do you deal with people? And number two, how do you deal with the problems? Let me talk about number one, how do you deal with people? Friends, the way you behave in group discussion, the same way you behave in real life. So during group discussion, how do you behave with other candidates? Do you cut them? Do you insult them? Do you shout at them? You want to put your words in someone else's mouth? You want to dominate the group? If this is your attitude towards other people, then you are not welcome. You will be rejected. But on the other side, if you help others, if you inspire others, if you listen to others carefully, if you put yourself in others' shoes and look from his standpoint, if you respect, if you use polite words, you disagree, of course you can disagree, but how you disagree? Politely or rudely? This is what matters when you deal with people. And that is what they see in group discussion, and that is what is reflected in group discussion. How you are behaving with others. If you behave in this way, rude way, selfish way, insulting others, trying to win the GD by dominating others, then you will be rejected from the GD. But if you are polite, if you are supportive, if you are a leader, then you are selected in group discussion. Okay, second thing, how do you deal with problems? Friends, in group discussion, you are given a topic. What is the topic? The topic is nothing but a problem for you to solve. Now, you know what? When you're going to work in office, in the corporate, it's the same thing. When you go to office, you go to solve the problem given by the owner, given by the employer. You have to solve the problem. And every day, you are going to deal with problems. The problem can be technical. The problem can be non-technical. How you deal with the problem. How you look at the problem. Friends, problem is not the problem. How do you look at the problem is the problem. Problems will be there, and we are always there to solve the problems. Those who solve bigger problems, they get bigger success in life. Now, there are two ways to look at the problem. One, problem is a problem. Second, let the problem come from anywhere, but the solution will come from you. This is the second approach. So, when you are given a topic in group discussion, and if your way at looking at the topic is, well, no point, nothing is going to change, this is not going to change, this is our country, it will be as it is. If your approach towards the problem is this, then definitely your attitude is negative. And the same attitude you will bring at the workplace, and you're going to spoil everything. Another way of looking at the problem is, as I said, let the problem come from anywhere, but the solution will come from you. If you have this approach towards the topic in a group discussion, then the same approach you will have in real life. And that is what we see in group discussion. So friends, I repeat, I summarize 2 points. Number 1, how do you deal with the people? And number 2, how do you deal with problems? That is the topic. That is what they see in group discussion. And that is what you must focus on. So friends, thanks a lot for watching my video. Wait. Please share this video in your WhatsApp group or on Facebook, so that those who need this tip, they should get it. Like my video if you like, and most important thing, subscribe my channel. I'm going to add more videos which will help you immensely in your personal life and corporate professional life. Friends, I'm really working hard now to upload some of the best videos you will ever see on YouTube. So please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Take care. Jai Hind.